Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to set default GPU for apps on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to set default GPU for apps on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to just click on this start menu, then click on settings. Then in left side you will find system, click on that. In right side you will find display, click on the display. Scroll down. Under related settings you will find graphic, click on this. Here you will find the apps. Suppose if you want to set default for any of the apps in this, you have to just click on that app, then click on reset. Just close this window. That's it guys. So this way you can set default GPU for apps on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.